Hey, how's it going, y'all? We have 2023 Ram 2500 heavy duty. I think it's gasoline. I don't think it's diesel. Normally when it's diesel, it will say diesel here. But it is a 2500 heavy duty 2023. It is a used car. It has about 31,000 miles on it. It's a 4x4 Bighorn. So it is a Ram Bighorn. Look at that. It has a bed liner. Bed liner is not really in bad shape, but that's not a deal breaker. Always got to check these tail lights, because for some reason on these big vehicles, people tend to always damage the tail lights. I guess because of how long it is, they can't really see behind them. But I'm gonna go ahead and wind down these windows, let y'all see these rims. What these are 18s. I'm gonna go ahead and put up the windows. I'll give y'all a look of the interior in a bit, but I just want to finish giving y'all the walk around. We got folded windows. Y'all to see that. Got fog lights. Go ahead and check the interior door handle, making sure this works, make sure the window switch works, make sure the seat lifts up and goes down. This is pretty nice though. It's pretty nice. But the Ram pickups, they're not bad. I mean, I'm a Toyota guy, but the Rams are starting to grow on me, especially the Longhorns that come with the better radio screen. It comes with a bigger radio screen. It's longer. It just looks way better. Check these seat belts. It is a used car, so I want to check those, make sure that they're functioning. Window works. Doesn't have electronic seats, it's manual seats. Powered seats. If electronic seats sounds weird to you all, I guess powered seats. So the spare tools are here, always located underneath the passenger seat. Have our glove, little documents, don't want to get people information on the video. You know, it's regular seats, it's not leather. I mean, it's a Bighorn. Let's go ahead and measure these tires. Y'all see what we're working with. I'm pretty sure it doesn't need any tires. I can just look and tell. I'm getting about I'm gonna say it's about 15-30 seconds in the front and about 13 in the back. So I'm gonna go 14-13 with the tire tread. I mean, you can go by millimeters. I like to go by 30 seconds. That's how I learned in school. I did go to automotive school. Actually was in the Toyota T10 program. Graduated from that in like 2011, 2012. Front tires are good. So I've been in this industry for over a decade now. I've been doing this. I've been doing used cars since 2016. So I'm very familiar with all makes and models over the years, because I have been working on used cars majority of my career in the automotive field. So that's why sometimes my inspection process can kind of be fast and quick, and it seems like I'm really not inspecting the vehicle, but I am. It's just that I've been doing it so long, I can kind of tell from the miles about the condition of the vehicle. As far as the miles will tell me what's wear and tearing. It doesn't really let me know the condition of the vehicle, but it lets me know what's wearing and tearing. Because by mileage, I can say, okay, I need to check this, I need to check that, I need to check this, I need to check that. That way I can upsell. So let me go ahead. The brakes are good, the tires are good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the interior. But wait, real quick, y'all, I just want to check these rear pads. I don't want to have the camera looking at the floor. Sorry about that, y'all. And the rear pads are good. What I like about the rear on these two, I can just stick my finger in there and feel it. So let's give y'all a look of the dash. See here. So the Longhorn, I believe, comes with the bigger center console screen, or if it's not the Longhorn, it's the 3500, but I think it's the Longhorn. As long as it's a Longhorn, you would get that feature. Unless it has that feature, but yep. You have your center seats, center console. You know, it's very limited. It's not a lot of features on the Bighorn. You don't really have GPS or anything of that sort. I'll let y'all get a look at that. It's touchscreen. I do need to try the radio. Gotta make sure the radio works. Try not to have too much music because I don't want to get in trouble for music in my videos, so I just try to check the radio quickly and don't let too much music play. So yeah, y'all, so 31,000 miles on a 2023 Bighorn Ram 2500 heavy duty. So I mean, it's still fairly new. It's 31,000 miles. The tires are good, the brakes are good. The truck looks like it's in good condition, so I'm just gonna get ready to take it out on a test drive. See how it drives, make sure the suspension, the tires, the rotors, there's no brake. And when I say rotors, I mean as in brake pulsation when I apply the brakes. Tire balance, make sure there's no heavy vibration or excessive vibration in the steering wheel or just throughout the vehicle at higher speeds. Anything over 30, 40 miles per hour. And even highway braking, coming from a high speed and slowing down 45, 50, 60. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out on the road, y'all, and get it ready for repair and cleanup and on the lot for sales. Have a nice one, y'all. Hey, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at the engine. So y'all can see what you get in a 2500. It's a 6.4 liter Hemi. Look at that. .4 liter gasoline. So there you have it, y'all.